MN-10 single head notcher is our newest innovation. It's affordable and user-friendly, making it the perfect entry-level notcher. Its low labor and maintenance requirements make it easy for anyone to use, and the mounted reference ruler ensures that you make the right cut every time. Built with durability in mind, the heavy-duty tabletop is made from 1/4-inch thick steel, and it may be overbuilt, but it's not overcomplicated. Removing the guard to access the cutter head is easy. In fact, it's so easy that changing out the carbide teeth takes less than 5 minutes, ensuring you have less downtime during tooling changes. With a cutter head that's never exposed and dual palm controls, the MN-10 is one of the safest notchers that you can buy. When you make your notch, air cylinders for the board clamp and cutter ensure that your stringer stays safely in place. It cuts the standard 1.5-inch tall notch in your stringers for easy and consistent notching.